On Sunday, October 10th, the Los Angeles Times came out with their voter guide. And in this guide, they broadly endorsed the confirmation of the Supreme Court and the Second District Appellate Court judges and the candidates for Superior Court. As a casualty of fighting the judges in the LA Superior Court, Dr. Richard I. Fine was recently released from the Los Angeles County Central Men's Jail after surviving over 18 months in solitary coercive confinement. Dr. Fine knows the real inside story on California judges. He takes issue with the Times endorsements.
Well, I think the Times endorsements are basically wrong.
And this is not the first time the LA Times has come out with their suspicious endorsements. Full disclosure obtained this list, which was researched by private investigator Clark Baker, LAPD retired. This list shows endorsements of judicial incumbents by the LA Times all the way back to 1988, when these illegal payments started. In an unprecedented act of legislative deceit, Senate Bill SBX 211 granted retroactive immunity of all the judges who had been taking payments that were prohibited by the state constitution.
From the time that Senate Bill SBX 211 was passed, which was February 2009, through the present, to my knowledge, I do not recollect any time that the LA Times has actually mentioned SBX 211 and the retroactive immunity.
SBX 211 granted the judges immunity from criminal and civil prosecution, as well as judicial discipline.
That the LA Times is so close to the judiciary that it is afraid or does not wish to criticize the judiciary.
Most people aren't aware that the Los Angeles Superior Court judges are taking payments that are prohibited by the state constitution. Could it be the reporters from the LA Times were ignorant of the fact that the judges were actively participating in obstruction of justice?
So the LA Times has a history of not reporting the problems with the judiciary.
Dr. Fine is taking the matter in his own hands. He's challenging the incumbent judges and the new judicial candidates to come clean.
From now to November 2nd, I am issuing a challenge to every judicial candidate to defend themselves as to why they have the integrity to be a California judge when they have received retroactive immunity from criminal prosecution for having taken illegal payments.
This video blog is only a small portion of an in-depth expose on judicial corruption and the LA Times, soon to be released on DVD and streamed from our website. I'm Leslie Dutton. Thank you.